Welcome to Ucode, ultimate platform for seamless project construction. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to register and log into your account. Let's get started. First, head over to the Ucode registration page. Here, we'll see a simple form asking for a few details. Start by entering our company name. This helps us organize our workspace efficiently. Next, provide company email address. Make sure it's active, as we'll use it for important updates. Then, create a unique login ID. This will be our username, whenever we want to log in. Finally, choose a secure password. Use a mix of uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Next, select a tariff plan to continue. To activate your 1-month free trial on the Ucode platform, you'll need to choose a tariff. In our case, we'll select the small tariff plan, which gives access to the basic features ideal for getting started. Last but not least, please make sure to check the box to confirm that you agree to the terms of service. This agreement establishes the terms between you and the company for using the Ucode platform. Once we have filled out all the fields, click the register button. If everything is correct, we will see a confirmation message. Now that we have registered, let's log in to created company account. Navigate to the login page. Here, we only need to enter your login ID and password. Click the enter button, and we will be taken straight to your dashboard. Congratulations, we are in. That's it. We have successfully registered and logged into Ucode. Now, we are ready to explore all the tools and features we offer. Don't forget to check out our other videos to learn more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.